This is the Foundation series. 3 tools, 1 system. This is tool number 3. Most solution attempts fail before they begin, not from lack of intelligence, from a problem that was never properly defined. The brain finds a problem. It reaches for the most familiar answer. It stops looking. This is called first solution bias, and it is the single most common reason that fixes create new problems as fast as they resolve old ones. A professional solution process does not start with answers. It starts with discipline. 3 disciplines, specifically. The first is to freeze the problem before you touch it. The second is to explore the full solution space before you evaluate any of it. The third is to test your solution against what it creates, not just what it fixes. This is the system. Phase 1. The problem statement freeze. Before generating a single solution, you write the problem in 1 sentence. What is failing? Why it is failing? What it is costing? Then you get agreement on that sentence. Then you lock it. During solution generation, the problem statement does not change. If it needs to change, you stop. You restart. A moving target cannot be hit. Define it. Freeze it. Then proceed. Phase 2. Divergence. Now you generate solutions. Not 1, not 3, as many as the problem space will yield. You use a tool called SCAMPER. 7 lenses applied to the frozen problem statement. Substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, reverse. Each lens forces you to approach the problem from a direction you would not have reached on your own. During this entire phase, nothing is evaluated. Evaluation kills generative thinking. Generate first, judge later. You also develop 4 structural options. The minimalist, which is the fastest solution that meaningfully moves the needle. The robust, which is the most complete, permanent answer. The radical, which is the solution that changes the nature of the system. And the bypass. The bypass is the one most people never consider. It does not fix the problem. It makes the problem irrelevant. Sometimes that is not just the best solution. It is the only one worth building. Phase 3. Convergence. Now you evaluate. You use a weighted decision matrix. Not a simple scoring grid, a weighted one. Because ease of implementation and impact on the primary goal are not equally important. You decide what matters most before you score anything. You assign weights. They must total 100%. Then you score every candidate. The top 3 move forward. The rest are archived, not discarded. A solution that scores poorly today may be the right answer when the constraints change. Phase 4. Validation. Your top candidates now face 2 tests. The first test is called the second-order effects audit. You ask, and then what? Not once. At 30 days. At 6 months. At 2 years. The effects at each horizon are different in character. A solution that looks clean at 30 days can look like a new primary problem at 2 years. The second test is the reversibility check. If this solution fails completely after implementation, what does it cost to undo? Easily reversible solutions get implemented with confidence. Irreversible solutions get treated with caution regardless of how well they scored. Then you implement the smallest version of the solution that is large enough to produce real data. Not a compromise, a test. You define in advance what success looks like. And you define the pivot condition. Not a failure threshold, a learning threshold. Every result tells you something. Even the ones that say, try the next candidate. There is no system that guarantees the right answer. That is not what this is. This is a system that guarantees you asked the right questions, that you explored the space, that you understood the trade-offs, that you know what success looks like, and what you will do if you don't reach it. A solution built on that foundation can be defended, adjusted, improved, replaced when the time comes. Because every solution eventually becomes a legacy system. Build it knowing that. Analyze the problem. Optimize the system. Design the future. I am the system architect. The Foundation series is complete. Now we get to work.